Okay, I just opened this box and let's go through all the items. Installation instructions. Here's the booklet. So excited. Security information and table of content. Let's see. Anyways, I kind of went through them already, but yeah, very easy to follow. So big letters, love that. Move on to the package. All of these are insulated and padded very nicely. I have a bag of nails and screws, more of that, and there are this thing. Okay, ready to go. And then this bag's right here. Okay, next is a little rod, and then I just open the big rod here. So that's a bigger rod. For options, the base, we have that plate. Oh, moving on to this one, we have the base for the rod, and then the motor is right here. Let's see if I can open it maybe afterwards, but this one got packaged in here like that. So also the base, gold, very nice, nice gold. And then this one, so that, and more little trinkets on this side, so I'm sure it's very useful. Anyways, this is the motor, and I think I can open it when I remove this layer of foam. But yeah, it has all the instructions that I will eager to get to. And these are the blade. These are the main actors. They're all made out of wood, and there are 3 of them. The base is flaring out, and then the blade kind of has that twisted, and then all the way here. So I got the 52-inch version. So yeah, I'm very ready to get this thing installed. Awesome.